Hey, if you have the same problem that you are clicking the power button on the JBL Clip 5 but your speaker is not going to be turned on, there's only this LED light that just turns on for the 1 second and then disappear, and then when you click and hold it, it still doesn't work. So all you have to do is just to grab the USB-C cable and connect this cable into your USB-C port. Of course, the second end of the cable you have to plug to the power supply. And when you do this, as you can see, this light will turn on and your speaker will be also turned on. So you'll be able to hear that turn on sound. And now we have to use the two buttons combination. We have to click and hold play button and the Bluetooth button. So take a look, Bluetooth button, power button together, play button together. And now we have to take a look on this indicator. We have to hold both buttons for around 5 to 10 seconds until this speaker automatically turns off. There we go. Now when the indicator turns off, when this sound also pops up, we have to just remove both buttons and unplug the cable. Now when you click on this button, you will be able to turn on your speaker. As you can see right now, it works. The LED is blinking and we can hear this pairing sound. And that's all for this video. Please tell me if it works. If it doesn't work, I will try to find another way to help you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.